Teaching figurative language with emojis.
Hello and welcome to Tech Tips with Cameron. Today we are diving back into Gemini gems because I gotta say, I'm not sick of them yet. They are so cool and the ideas just keep coming in. So thank you to everybody who's sent me ideas or shared gems with me that I can share out. It is so interesting to see all the different ways that we can share, collaborate, and build our collective knowledge. And head down to the Explore Gems option. Inside of here are the pre-made gems by Google, all the gems you've created yourself, and any gems that have been shared with you. Today, we are looking specifically at a gem that I thought was really cool called the Figurative Language Jump Off. So let me show you how it works. Gems are pre-made conversations that you've built to perform a repeated task. And so for this one, it's to teach students both about AI literacy, very important, but also about figurative language. So to get started, you just type hi. To do is kick off a conversation. If you're finding your conversations are going a little slow, you can switch from Pro to Flash and it'll make things go a lot faster. When you're interacting with a gem, Flash is perfect. Okay, let's do start. So this is going to help teach me about figurative language. But what's so cool is it's going to use emoji.
I love emojis.
All right, so here we are, and I see that I've got some acting masks, the world, and more acting masks. So I think the phrase is all the world's a stage. Boom. Now here's the second part of the gem. It asks what type of figurative language is it? The most important part. So the emojis are great, and you can copy and paste them onto a slideshow if you needed to make them bigger. I know they're really small when we use them in AI, and then you could flip back to AI and type in the answer with your class.
Keep the human in the loop.
Remember, students aren't interacting with this with their hands on. You're doing this with the class and you are doing the typing. Students grades 7 and up could interact with this if you thought it was helpful. So what type of figurative language is that? All the world's a stage. You got it. Makes me feel strong. It's a metaphor because it says one thing is another thing without using like or as. We're comparing them directly. So now what's really cool about this app is you could do it a couple more. Get the students practicing. I've actually built the list, so I know every single one of the ones that are coming out. They've all been vetted. They're good. But let's say I wanted a writing challenge, and it'll give you a challenge that you could use with your student. Let's write a metaphor about a friend. Remember, a metaphor says one thing. Don't use like or as. My friend is a lighthouse in a storm. Okay, so you can work together as a class to build one. Type it in. They'll get some excitement, and that's how you could use this gem. That's it for me this week. Hopefully you enjoy the figurative language emoji gem. Bye-bye.